feel it right up in my aftermath. Now baby girl, I never wanna die. Say it loud, say it right up in the grind, right up in the dollar sign. What's out of everybody that we really passing by? And if they really love it, it's $1 and the five. Shout out to my guy, appreciate you, keep it true. I make I wanna feel it right up in my avenue. It's the mathematical, the international. Cynical, fire, cynical, they're still an individual. Baby girl, I'm lyrical, now tell me can I play? What's that out everybody right up in this old way? Hey, now baby girl, like, tell me can I hold on? Now baby girl, like, tell me can I stay strong? Now baby girl, now tell me that I wanna stay. Making I wanna feel it right up in your middle way. Like, now baby girl, like, tell me can I hold on? Now baby girl, like, tell me that I'm so strong. Now baby girl, now tell me that I wanna stay. Now baby girl, now tell me what they really gotta say. Hey, what's that out everybody walking right up in the way? To make I wanna feel it right up in the still of pain. Now baby girl, I never wanna send the rain on the snow. Here we go, Java flavor in the flow. Whoa, a video, feeling like a video. Making y'all wanna feel it every time I get it go. Making y'all wanna play, baby girl, not what they say. Shout out everybody walking right up in this whole way. Hey, I love the no face, looking fly. Shout out to my guy, walking by, went up in the ill alive. Making y'all redefine, tell me what is really mine. Making y'all wanna sip it, looking like the Arkin line. The other side of another guy walking through. Making y'all wanna feel it right up in my iller soul. I never wanna know, baby girl, I never go. Just to make y'all wanna feel it every time I'm psycho. I'm just like Michael, baby girl, the idol. Ripping the rifle, everybody rifle. Making y'all really wanna see, guarantee what it be. Baby girl, it's me, bless it right up in the beat. I'm bringing back, bringing those, here we go, let them know. What's that on everybody recording me on their phone? But thank you, looking like an angel. I'll be thankful, I never wanna hate you, Now baby girl, like, tell me can I hold on? Now baby girl, like, tell me that I'm so strong. Now baby girl, now tell me that I wanna stay. What's that on everybody walking right up in the way? Hey, well thank you, like, you is an angel, appreciate you. Yes it's be like, baby girl, what it be like? Now baby girl, what it be like? NYC.
Yes, indeed.
Finger D, amazing with ability. Baby girl, a tranquility right up in this industry. Making up on the feeling right up in the neighborhood. This is the reason why you really know I never leave. Shout out everybody looking fresh and they looking clean. What's that to the shorty right up in the iller blue? And tell me what they really gotta say, what they do. Shout out everybody that be walking through. Ooh, I love it everybody. Baby girl, another side just to make I wanna feel it looking like Illuminati. Now baby girl, now tell me that they wanna try. What's that everybody walking by, looking fly. And if they really love it, baby girl, know what they do. This the reason why you really know I'm rapping for you. What's that to my man in the black, in the blue, keep it cool. I make I wanna feel it in the tools like 2020. Now baby girl, I'm ready just to make I wanna feel it looking like it was confetti. Love the hat, but it's a fact. Bring it back. Make I wanna feel it like it was an iller bag. Loving those to make I wanna feel it right now. Love it go. I make I wanna feel it right now. Love it roll. I make I wanna feel it right down, right up in this underground. Baby girl, feel the sound, Now play it up, baby girl, I shake it up. Now play it up, baby girl, I shake it up. I make I wanna feel it right up in the sunlight. Now baby girl, tell me that we on the sunlight. Now play it up, baby girl, we shake it up. Now baby girl, like, coming through, shake it up. What's that on everybody that be walking up? Baby girl, now tell me that we really having fun. Bird up, now baby girl, tell me that I burn. Make y'all wanna feel it when I drop another bird. What's that I tell my man up in the black? Love to snap back, run in the back, run in the back, run in the back, and I'm making it go. Run in the back, and I'm making it go when I'm making it up, when I'm making it up. Baby girl, now tell me that I never wanna play. Let them say, let them play, let them wait, let them grade. I make y'all wanna feel it right up in the God's way. Hey, so baby girl, now tell me that I gotta meditate. Now baby girl, now tell me that I gotta elevate. I demonstrate what I love, turn it up. It's the reason why I'm tired living right up in the sun. I'm raising my daughter and raising my son. I'm raising the few when I'm bringing it up. I'm bringing the flow when I'm bringing the dough. Make y'all wanna feel it, baby girl, let's go. Shout out to the boy, run in the back, and I'm making it go. He said, oh shit, cause he dropped on his telephone. Just to make I wanna see, yes indeed, Tennessee. Just to make I wanna feel it deeper than the 7th sea. And this the reason why you know I freestyle. I make I wanna feel it every time I mean wow. Up in the mean town, right up in the midtown. Flip it down, flip around, flip a flow. Here we go, whoa. Now baby girl, like, tell me can I play it up? Now baby girl, like, tell me can I shake it up? Now baby girl, now tell me that I'm really having fun. But thank you, my man, you looking like the one. So baby girl, like, tell me can I shake it up? Now baby girl, like, tell me can I play it up? What's on everybody walking by, they looking fly. Baby girl, I never lie. Word up.
Yeah.
New York City, God bless everybody. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day. And if you love what you're hearing, it's only $1 or $5. No lie. Everybody have a great time. Let's rock. New York in the house like, word up like, turn it up like, swerve up like, curve up like. But baby girl, now tell me why. Never lie. But shout out to the mothers that don't own no eye. I make I want to feel it every time we ride. Now baby girl, now tell me that I never lie. Shout out to the mother. Simmer, baby. They wanna triple, baby. Just to make I wanna feel it right up in the mirror, baby. Another image every time they wanna listen. I make I wanna feel it right up in the reminiscent. Another type of victim, sicker with my lyricism. The communism of a terrorism in the state. Now baby girl, now tell me what they really gotta play. FBA got the traps right up in the other case. Hey, baby girl, I never wanna separate. I really motivate just to make I wanna feel. Now baby girl, now tell me why. Baby girl, I never lie. Shout out everybody that be really walking by. I'm loving on the page, I be loving on the black. Love the glasses all the time, baby girl, I never lie. Making I wanna feel it right up in your inner mind. What's that to my man sweater looking kinda white? Wait, baby girl, like, tell me that I'm playing dough. To make I wanna feel it right up in your inner soul. Now baby girl, now tell me that I never let them know. Just to make I wanna feel it right up in my inner flow. What's that to the dad, walking by, looking fly. And if they love it, it's $1 and another $5. Now baby girl, I never testify. I make I wanna feel it every time I drop a line, apply. Think I wanna ride right now. They die right now, when they eye right now. When I strive right now, baby pie right now. Making I wanna feel it, make a B.I. now. Make I wanna feel another sound. Underground, thunder wave, thunder play. Baby girl, thunder cat. Make I wanna feel it right up in my inner bag. This the reason why you already know I got a rap. Listen, the inner one, the inner song. To make I wanna feel it hotter than it was the sun. I'm right up in the center of the universe. Let them verse. Just to make I wanna feel it every time I put in work. I make them understand, I make them understand. I'm living right up in the stolen land, Uncle Sam. I feel like Wu-Tang, turning into Booty Sang. Making them wanna feel it in like I was a cam. Another fire, baby, good desire higher. Making them wanna feel it right up in my inner cipher. I'm point like a sniper, never retire. Baby, girl, now tell me that I built this empire. I'm a ghetto vampire, I make a fire. Making them wanna feel it every time I go to riot. Try it, just to make I wanna feel the diamond. I'll be confined before they even get a plumbing. To make I wanna feel it right now, like whoop. Now baby girl, now tell me can I sound like whoop. What's that out to my man up in the green, looking fresh and clean, working with his family, guaranteed whoop. Now make I wanna feel it on the beat like whoop. Now make I wanna feel it on the street like whoop. What's that out to the shorty right up in the pink, in the black, in the back, running back, when they got whoop. New York City, we outside right now. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day. And if you love what you're hearing, it's only $1. Word up, die.
The only meal tip? My stamp.
Yo, already got your brand info, man. Take my number, take my number, please. I got yeah, no, I forget, but I like if you take your time. Busy right now, this very moment? I'm about to sing, rap a little bit like that. Rap with me like at least 22 songs. I'm recording right now too, so we're ready for some footage. Let's go.
What's your name?
Saks Fifth Avenue, not like
okay, cool.
Right, S-A-X-X.
You on Instagram?
Nah, man, I'm about to go back in the studio. I done lost a whole lot of stuff. I was talking to my producer today, yo. I got some stuff, my dude. I knew this dude for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, yo. Yo, for a minute, man. Tapping in, see what he been doing. He got a lot, man.
Yeah.
He got a lot, man. It's gonna pop up. I'm telling y'all, man. Shorts, this train station is flooded and it's going back and forth, man.
Yeah.
It's real. Heard.
So you can freestyle.
Oh, definitely. Oh, definitely. What's up, y'all? Let's get this. It's your boy Sack from Avenue. Featuring with my boy right here that's been here, stay here, gonna keep it here. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do this all the way from the BX to Brooklyn to Harlem. You know how this go. And all these other moments, they never understand the science. Yeah, check it. That knock right here, boy. Hey, yo, Sax, they think they got one on you. Watch this. They said, turn it in, burning like the ground, burning like the A train. Now we got a new thing, now we got a new thing. Now we popping over, see shorty staring right there, boy, looking so sad. I'm like the boss man, I'm already stepped up, got another notch up. Now I want to run up with the two, with the three, and the four, three to the two.
Bring it back live. Shout out everybody holding up the bag live. Now baby girl, now tell me where they at live. Now baby girl, they love $1 for the track live. Now think I want to play, now baby girl, now what they say. Now think I want to fit it looking like it was the masquerade. Baby girl, the masculine that make I want the masculine. Baby girl, attacking them, I'm stiffer than the mannequin. I'm traveling, accolade in every line. Baby girl, the alkaline, and every time I'm dropping with another line, I redefine and recognize. Thank you, looking like an angel. Appreciate you.
We gon' make sure
running away when I'm making it go. Running away when I'm making it no. Running the faking, I'm making it go. When I'm playing it up, when I'm sticking it dough. Shaking, I'm making it forming, I'm flipping, I'm flipping, I'm flipping, I'm full. Loving on your Cypher sweater. Matter of fact, they can look go. I let them know, I let them see. I'm guaranteed not what it be. Matter of fact, the bag is green before they try to triumph me. Matter of fact, I'm making it wait. Matter of fact, I'm making it go. Baby girl, now tell me that they love it when I drop it slow. Drop it, pop it, lock it, rock it. Just to make I wanna feel it when I drop it, drop it. Yes indeed, like, tell me what it be like. Set us in the mother with the key, look at me like, right.
He's so definite. Every time I come around, this shit is most definite. Effortless, breathless. Sit there, we switching this. Every time I look around, they still gotta listen. This encyclopedia wanna come to the media and read it up, speed it up. Now roll the weed in us. Pour the liquor for the niggas that's not here. When I'm on Instagram, I'm
A little louder.
A little louder, a little prouder. I come around and I can do it with some sharp power to the baby soda. Sit there, they break the soda. Every time I look around, they wanna see me in the morning.
Word up, baby, swerve up, baby, turn up, baby, burn up, baby, word up, baby, turn up, baby, burn up, baby, earn up. Yeah.
New York night.
Is the mic up high enough?
Yeah, it is.
1, 2, 1, 2.
It's just, you better.
2. Oh, I got. See, I'm used to doing this. Studio. We got this though.
New York City, we in the house right now. God bless everybody. Hope everybody get home safely.
Facts.
And if you love what you hear me, then show me $1. Holla. Checking it out. Baby girl, I'm saying it out. I think I want to feel it every time I drop another sound. Beside that, everybody right up in the sound. Loving on the type of mood. Baby girl, now what they do. Making the fact it's comical, economical, the economics. And every time they follow this, I'm feeling like a nominate. Matter of fact, the difference is I'm living right up in the midst of flick up in another wrist. Raising on my elegance, dancing, the passing, the way I started macking. Just to make I want to feeling like a Lancet. Right up in another city, showing no pity, figure the illy just to make y'all wanna feel it like Diddy. Listen up, baby girl, I burn it up, turn it up, turn it up, word up, baby girl, turn it up. Here we go, drop another flavor when I drop it low, just to make y'all wanna feel it right up in your heart and soul. Let's go live, I let no lie, to make y'all wanna feel it right up in the soul side. Now baby girl, now tell me that they wanna know right. Now baby girl, tell me that they wanna flow right. Baby girl, we go right, we go right. I make y'all wanna flow like, we flow like, to make y'all wanna go right. I go right, just to make y'all wanna flow like, I know right. Baby girl, like, bring it back, baby girl, like, bring it back, baby girl, like, bring it back, baby girl, like, bring it back. If they love it, another dollar right up in the fucking baby girl, there's never nothing every time we started busting right up in. Baby girl, the right is in, just to make y'all wanna live it every time. Baby girl, I never lie. Running it down, minute and begging, I'm making it go. Minute and begging, I'm breaking it down. Minute and begging, I'm making it go. Picking up, bombing and serving and giving and coming and flipping, I'm bombing and flipping, I'm bringing it back. Just like that. It's like that.
And bring it on back. That's a fact to the media. Put it on the amplifier. And every time I come around these dudes, see if I can ride a holy with the steel. Come around, keep it real. And when I'm on the A-train, the last stop the dip. All the way to the junction, going Broadway, up in Midtown, New York City, Brooklyn, back. You know when I'm in the extra real. When I come around, baby, I'ma text the deal. You can sit around talking about whip pill like a baby face. You ain't in the race, so stay in lane. You don't know the train, cause when I'm on the track, bring it back.
Damn, yeah.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
I know.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, I'm gonna walk out that nigga behind his own fucking. It's all local. It's all supermarket set up and shit.
Yeah, right?
T-shirts and shit.
Yo. Like shit. Check. Yeah. Check it just like, now baby goodness, tell me, can I really play it back? Shout out everybody that be walking right up in this ass. Love like that, just like that. I think I wanna feel it every time we bring it back. But shout out to the mom with the brown bag, loving that. Matter of fact, I'm loving on the type of brown coat. Let her know. I think I wanna feel it every time we formulate. Baby girl, now tell me what they really gotta say. Immaculate. Yes, I think I wanna feel it looking like it was delayed. Right up in the prime time. Baby girl, I face mine. What's that? Everybody walking by, looking fly. Then they really love it. It's $1 and another $5. Now, baby girl, they talk about it when they like it. I think I wanna feel it looking like it was exciting. Now, baby girl, now tell me what's really in particular. Just to make I wanna feel like jazz in the particular. One more time, I never die. Now, baby girl, I drop the flow, I drop the vibe. Shout out everybody right now. Now, baby girl, the right sound. Now, tell me that they like this, and every time we mic down. Now, baby girl, now tell me what they really gotta say. Never play, then erase. Tell me, hey, hey, make y'all wanna talk, make y'all wanna walk. And if they really love it, it's $1 for New York, right?
Yeah, dollar for New York, coming back one time, you know I get the streets report. Yeah, you know I come back, I keep it short. Look, I'm trying to really chill at a beach resort, still get my fan, and yo, my feet in the sand. Certified one time, be complete as a man. Look, still meditate, look, coming back and regulate like it's warranty. Look, I'm speaking metaphorically, or I keep it in reality. Get a split personality, like it was the old cast. Look, I roll when I come through, let the folks last, and I'm bringing that ill jazz. Look, man, you know it's real fast, bumping Vinny pass. And yo, look, man, it's in the back like that. You know we about to strike back, they like that. Feeling like I'm Joe Jackson. The way you're coming back, bring words like closed caption. It's no capping. I mean, look, we stoked. The way we come through in the ill type style, I let them know. Feeling like a pro, kill the mic slow. Look at Nitro. Every time I come through, go American Psycho. Shout out to the OG, you know we feeling it, cause I'm killing it. Look, man, you know you better get them dollar bills legit. Look, man, never with no counterfeit. Pass it back to Henny, Mack, you know we stay clowning this. Hey.
Baby girl, we run it back like, Now baby girl, now baby got like, What's out of everybody right up in the public. Shout out to the shorty with the Cypher blue luggage. If they really love it, dollar in the bucket. Just to make I want to feel it every time we bump it. Just like that, and just like that. Baby girl, tell me that we bring right back. New York City, God bless everybody. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day. And if you love what you're hearing, it's only another dollar. Holla, this is make I wanna feel the scholar. Baby girl, now tell me that we really gotta operate. I do this every type of way. Now tell me what they gotta say. I'm loving you, loving who? Baby girl, the struggle woo. This is make I wanna feel it every time we bring it back. This is make I wanna feel it every time the longer laugh. This is make I wanna feel it craft like it's turning mad. Better than making, I'm making it go, and I'm making it up, and I'm taking it up. Baby girl, now tell me that we really gotta turn it up. Baby girl, we burn right, just to make us turn right. Just to make I wanna feel it every time we gonna work right. Just to make I wanna feel it right up in the method. Never disregret it every time I really manifest it. I'll be destined correction. Bring it back, it's a fact. Shout out to my man, loving on the book back. Baby girl, now tell me that I never wanna turn. Now make I wanna feel it when I drop a verse. Now baby girl, now tell me that they wanna stay. But shout out everybody walking right up in the other way. Hey, like
yeah, up in the ill way. Look, man, I go to Detroit, bumping J Dilla Day. Look, man, you know we gotta celebrate every time, every rhyme. When I come through with a deadly mind, don't they feel that? The way they moving, it's like a hurry, still moving the fist of fury like I'm Bruce Lee. Look, they knew me, a true G. And yo, look, the way we serve it on the silver plate. Look, man, come back and let me illustrate. My skill is great. Look, you can feel that in your bones. Never been a clone. Coming back, you know my pen is stone. The hands are stone, the man is known. Land the chrome, leave them with a damage zone. Look, man, you know that they straight running. We gunning like it's war on the mic before. Coming through the blood of a dinosaur. Moving like a reptile, still throwing projectiles. And yo, still round you and beat them just like a stepchild. My breath swell, and they know it. Forever focused, and yo, with the ill flow. Got the green in the hand like a pillow. The squares out like we care out. And yo, they still so we tear out. And yo, I'm not bear out. And yo, I'm that strong. Look, man, you rap wrong. I can turn this to Marvel vs. Capcom. Look, man, sit back calm. Just relax, trust the track. Pass it back to Henny, Mack. We on the grind, touching stacks.
And baby girl, that's up, me can we bring it back? I make I want to visit, looking like it was a cinematic, another HBO. Baby girl, I let them know, another stars. Every time I really show time, redefine. Now what is mine? Shout out everybody that be really passing by outside. They looking like, make y'all wanna strike, make y'all wanna go. Now baby girl, tell me that they really feel the flow. Let's go.
Hey, I like that mask. L-type style, we counting cash. Don't get mad, you the one wearing it. Coming back, I'm airing quick.
Yeah.
Hey, appreciate you. New York City. Stop being goofy when I give you compliments. That looks goofy as hell. Hey, the way I come through when I smell, might as well. You know I'm sick with the ginger ale, playing Splinter Cell. The way I come through when I got it, still rolling up when I'm back, still coming through on attack. Look man, we cutting there, nothing rare, like a fucking flare. And yo, I put your whole career inside some Tupperware. And yo, shout out to my man with the green hat. And yo, we about to make them lean back. Look, you know I come through, make your phone screen crack. I mean, look, because the pressure that we got, I'm applying, no denying. Look, I be kicking, look man, you know I'm Charles Dickens, ill poetic. When I said it, right rappers, they get beheaded. Look man, give me my credit when I'm back. Look, because I come through with no whack hook. Certified ill one time, I get them stacks took. I bet the dice game, nice aim, got a money migraine. Shout out to my man, cup in his hand with straw in it, getting raw in it. Look, the pitch never fall in it. When it comes to H-Town, you know I'm back. Look man, we on the east now, never had a weak style. Lay 'em on the ground like a beach towel. I mean, look, the way I come through, we let the heat blow. Hey, throw up your water bottles in the sky. Certified, I'll probably go to Colorado in July. Look man, coming back with a bottle and some lie. Yeah, about to get my mind right, conversations in hindsight. Look, you know we beat them off the mind tight. Yeah, dog, we find light in the dark, knock it out the park. Pass it back to Henny, Mack, you know we rhyming with some heart, hey.
So baby girl, now tell me that we got to play the part. Just to make I want to fit it, looking like we Mozart. Now baby girl, now tell me that we climbing up the chart. Shout out everybody that be passing through the boulevard. And if they love it, baby girl, it's like a sinner star. I make I understand I'm burning like it was a cigar. Now baby girl, I'm feeling like it was a grave shark. Every time we just fall right up in another water. Now baby girl, I slaughter just to make I want to call her. Now baby girl, now tell me that I never want to spoil her. But shout out everybody walking right now. So baby girl, now tell me that they wanna feel this down, Now baby girl, the reminiscing of another whip. Just to make I wanna follow this, I've been a lyricist. Living right up in this activism of another disc. Just to make I wanna figure it out what it is. Swerve up, served up, burn up, curve up, swerve up. He just tryna get like the fuck up, what?
Yeah, get locked up, get popped up. Microphones get chopped up like it was a butcher knife. Look man, in the cemeteries where I put your life. Look, certified one time, I be the crooked type. Yeah, like this crooked eye, took the pot, never lie, forever fly. Like I wasn't burned with the wings, and these words finna sting. And I serve for the green like it's tennis. I bring the racket, and yo, we got the front, they probably match it. I made love, let me detach it. The brain quick, my game sick. Look, take a plane quick. Certified ale, still moving up with the main mix. Hey yo, look, come back, I see they looking at. Yeah, dog, they looking back. Like Blaze said, we be cook the track. Yeah, all day, look, tall pain.
New York City. The flow is back. So baby girl, now tell me that I turn the bow jack. Now baby girl, now tell me that they wanna feel the track. I feel the flow, I feel it dope, I make I wanna feel it more. Many the faking, I'm making it go. Many the faking, I'm making it roll. Just to make I wanna feel it right up in your mind and soul. Shout out everybody that be really walking by. If they loving this, another dollar and another five. Just the vibe, who am I? Applied by the pressure. I make I wanna feel it every time we rock it better. Now baby girl, now tell me that I'm wrestling idea. I make I wanna feel it looking like it was Aina. I see ya, the diva, I'm acting like a Fina. Making I wanna get wetter than it was Aquafina. We right up in the bottom, full auto, this Aristotle. Making I wanna trend, looking like a custom model. Now baby girl, now tell me about this other type of green. Right up in the rage, every time I really got the rage. To make I wanna feel it every time the record play. But shout out everybody walking right up in the way, To make I wanna talk, make them wanna walk. Just to make I wanna feel it right up in the New York. Yes indeed, I'm guaranteed. What's shout out to my man that's looking fresh and clean. If they loving me, it's only another dollar. Holla, baby, I'm a knocker. Just to make I wanna feel it like it's Yugoslavia. Just to make I wanna feel it, baby girl, I learned like. Baby girl confirmed like, loving on the smirk, right? Yeah, never been a jerk type. I hurt mics. Look, man, I probably do a drive-by on a dirt bike. I mean, look, like Henny, Mack, say, show me what the earth like. I mean, look, you better hold your purse tight. Yo, cause there's bummy niggas that'll snatch that. I mean, the way we come through, 500 on the cash app. I mean, it's like he Honda hands come through with a fast lap. I make a back. Yo, you really need a laugh track. It's sitcoms, moving up, we cruising up, but we do enough. Coming back in the Ruger bus. Look, get your medulla crush. Every time that we hit the scene with anatomy, they try to see tragedy. I'm back to be. I come through mathematically. We doing numbers. Stevie Wonder coming back, they going under. Bring the rain and then the thunder. Move around inside the Hummer. Look, man, still chop it up. Pop it up and we lock it up. Hell style, we coming through with the moving in and we cop it up. We back on the track, just like that. We getting up stacks. Look, we coming through, moving the back. The way we come through, killing the track. You know they moving, feeling like that. When we come and we let it burn. I'm never missing my turn. I be feeling like Mr. Burns, spitting it firm. Instrumental, you done lost my potential. From Brooklyn to South Central, coming through in your pencil. Look, deal or die, he can fly, know the rise, close your eyes. Look the way we come through, we hit the skies. Meditate under open skies. Look, with the fire burn, I come through and I'm tired turn. Yeah, I'm moving in my bottom fur. About to grow, out the flow. Look, man, we counting dough. Coming back like down the snow. Yeah, dog, it's time to go. Moving around like Geronimo. Hey, got that piranha flow. Look, though it's real sharp, real hard, still spark. Look, coming back, I make you feel smart. Yeah, dog, it's real dark. Coming back in the ill game, still art, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to my man with the flowers in his hand. Ill type of style, look devour cause I can. Yeah, I got the power of the man. Look, you know I put the power to the fans. They feel that, I make them feel strong when I kill the storm. I'm never rocking Billabong, I'm gorilla strong. I can pick it up and go bananas. Look, man, we got the gold bananas, or maybe even. Hey, yo, we saying it's uneven. Come back, we still a show like we thieving. I mean, still taking over the region, underwater like a demon, like I'm feeling like a Kuma, and still represent from here to Cuba and hit Aruba. I mean, I'm popping it one time, it's your medulla, that old schooler. The way you're coming repping like this was when we stay on Pharaoh. Got this money stacking and I need a wheelbarrow. I mean, you acting like you Will Ferrell. And yo, look on the comedy type. I come back and spit philosophy light. And yo, the Socrates type. The when I come through when I like your mind type, the fine type, the grind love. I'll be writing rhymes. I sit back, yo, tight. Look, man, you know it feels right. Still got companies like it's Phil night. Look, man, I come back, throwing up a ninja star, bumping Pat Benatar. Come back, you know how I still spin it. I'm in it, I'm representing. Look, that's the fact that Henny, Mack, you take it past the limits.
Baby gonna tell me that they wanna flip it. Baby gonna tell me that we dropping nothing but the lyrics. They terrific every time, never lie, one more time. But son, I said the ladies looking so divine. Goddamn, they got me looking right up in the trend. I make I wanna feel it right up in another train. Go insane, just to make I wanna feel it right up in the lane. Now baby girl, they talking about another congregate. Looking at my man's face, looking like the school mother. I make I wanna feel it, not discover. But son, I said the shorty right up in the brown, getting down, right up in the sunny ground. Every time she travel around, and if they really love it, it's only another dollar. Now baby girl, now tell me that we really gotta holler. Matter of fact, I'm looking like it was another type of scholar. And this the reason why you know we gotta play it back, listen up. So make I wanna flip it up. Baby girl, I turn it up. I make I wanna earn it one. Baby girl, the type of logic every time I get embroiled. Just to make I wanna feel it, looking like I'm psychotic. I make I understand it, in the back and I'm making it back. Baby girl, tell me that they love it every time we gotta play it back. So that's to my man holding two black bags, looking fly when he walk like that, like that. And if they really love it, it's a dollar for the track. Making that one to feel it, looking like the final flash. Making that one to feel it, baby girl, I turn it up. Word up, turned up, no buzz, what?
Yeah, swerve up when we turn up, microphone we burn up. Look, I never been concerned what a hater feel. Look, dog, we make us thrill. I mean, throw you in the water, alligator bill. Look, tell them haters chill. I got the skater skill. Hey, speaking of skaters, shout out to the skater crew. Yo, so they do what a hater do. Fist in the air, appreciate you. Have a nice day. Hey, coming back, still cold, real bold. And yo, look, my people snatch they real fold. I mean, coming back from the south where they keep their real gold. I mean, look, dog, you will fold under pressure. We live from the Mecca, trusted like Chubby Checker. I mean, look, man, you in love with checkers, never playing chess. Look, man, I'm staying fresh. I go, we rockin' the east and then I play the west. Look, man, you about to fail on a major test. And yo, look, no answers. Look, I made them guess. And like this guess who, chillin' for my nephew. I mean, look, still shooting just like I'm step two. Bless you. Every time I grip the mind, gotta find. Look, they out of mind. Coming back, got the alkaline.
fine, that's the water. Blacking out in a slaughter, going harder. I tell them like Luke, I am your father, ayy. But ain't no Star Wars, flipping like this parkour. I mean for real, man, what they kicking bars for? And yo, they not nice. Look, man, gotta drop price. Yeah, ill top of style, look like a stoplight. Yeah, make your cows fight. That's what I do all the time. I'm new when I rhyme, rocking up ill design, feeling fine. Hey, kill the crime. Yeah, nobody can steal the shine. Let the lyrics fill your mind.
I got your text, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, got the umbrella, rocking it like it was with the beat of acapella. Yeah, look, man, you know I like those earrings, looking like a boomerang, still watching boomerang. Hey, yo, look, I came to do my thing. You know I'm from H-Town, where all we do is swing. And yo, we rollin' blades, drop the strings, pop the team, and bring the ill type of force like it's aqua team. And yo, spilling blood right here, make a mop the scene. I mean, look, man, it's nothing represent the Rockets team like it's Rudy Tomjanovich. Look, man, your dad and your mama snitch. Look, man, my trigger finger goes beyond the itch. Look, man, I ain't scratching that. Look, the way I come through ill style, have my back and back. Look, if you got a blunt, we be matching that. Look, when it comes to my style, they not scratching that. Look, it's make edition. All I do is I spit, certify one time and turn them to illusionist. Yeah, ill type of the way I move up in the cypher, make them feel nicer. I swing that brain in that Chrysler. Hey, the way I come back, ill style, building like the Cypher. I mean, I told them that, fold them back. Up in New Orleans, doing the nose clap. Nobody can hold them back. Look, man, you better pay up if you really owe them that. Hey.
So baby girl, that's something that I'm hearing back. So baby girl, that's something that I wanna stand back. Now baby girl, relax, I make I wanna play the track. I make I wanna feel it every time we gotta play it back. Now baby girl, here's another rhyme we define. Now baby girl, that's something that I sing it right up in your mind, right up in your vision, right up in your eyes. I make I wanna feel it every time they wanna ride. Now baby girl, I'm loving everything they wanna say. Just to think I wanna feel it, looking like it wasn't played. Now baby girl, they talk about me right a bit. Let us take another type of thing. Now baby girl, to try again. Let that affect the line again. I make I wanna feel it. Now baby girl, I kill it. Every time I'm like a villain. What's that like everybody right up in another lobby? Just to make I wanna feel it. Looking like I turn the golly, watch me. I make I wanna play. Baby girl, I bring it back. Just to make I wanna feel it. Right up in another track. Shout out to my man with the neck. What it is. Just to make I wanna follow this. I'm looking like a Carlo. Making I wanna noddo. Baby girl, ring it yo. Just to make I wanna feel it. Right up in your other soul. And if they really love it, it's $1 for the flow. I make y'all wanna feel it right up in this episode. Dr. Dre, or J, never play, AA. What's up, that's to my man in the black and the brown. Now baby girl, that's something that I'm really dropping down. Now baby girl, that's something that they wanna feel the sound. Pick up loud.
Yeah, check a blouse, still we can get this money like we going Jigga style. Hey yo, I cut it up like I'm pulling out scissors now. You know I come and flowing like it's Mr. River now. When I come back, still design, let them fill your mind. Hey yo, we come to 42nd just to kill the grind. Look man, rock a necklace, every block in Texas, I hold it down. But reside on the east, still rhyme like a beast. I mean it's time that they cease. Coming back one time, rocking up with the sign of fleece when it's cold. Switch it up the winter time, never get up beginner rhyme. I mean love running like finish line. We copping shoes, dropping jewels when we grab the mic. I mean the ill type style, you watching Magic Mike. Hey yo, shout out to the MGA all day. Look, coming back one time, you know it's all great.